Who is the biggest emotional wreck? Most likely to kill someone? Who's the most heartbroken? Happiest? Wifed?
Cause I'm icy, wife, haters wanna fight me.
Biggest flirt? Who's most likely to go missing within 5 minutes? Who's most likely to become very successful? Who's most likely to be bad at lying? Who's most likely to have more than 3 pets?
My honey bun sugar plum,
Who's most likely to go crazy at random times? Who's most likely to get spoiled all the time? Who's most likely to become a teen parent? Who's most likely to lose the most friends? Who's the most aggressive? Who's most likely to fall for toxic people? Who's most likely to cancel plans at the last minute? Who's most likely to not listen to anyone's advice? Who's most likely to become a model? Who's most likely to travel the most? Who's most likely to do something stupid in front of their crush? Who's most likely to easily get into a fight?
She told me she was crazy from the start.
Who's most likely to become a strict parent? Who's most likely to get hurt and laugh really hard about it?
Is going on inside their head?
Who's most likely to always have a smile on their face?
Let me take you dancing like that.
Who's most likely to make someone else jealous? Who's most likely to be a cool mom or dad? Who's most likely to take a prank too far? Who's most likely to stalk their friends? Who's most likely to be the person who's always laughing? Who's most likely to leave a party early? Who's most likely to change their personality depending on who they hang out with? Who's most likely to get their friend in trouble? Who's most likely to be obsessed with fidget toys? Who's most likely to become a baddie? Who's most likely to fall down the stairs and be fine? Who's most likely to become an alcoholic? Who's most likely to become rich? Who's most likely to keep the most secrets?
Got a secret, can you keep?
Who's most likely to look like a softie but actually a psychopath? Who's most likely to spread rumors and start drama? Who's most likely to have a crush on 10 celebrities?
You are now my big fat crush.
Who's most likely to become a model? Who's most likely to travel the most?